Hey, beautiful people, welcome back for another video. And if you're new here, my name is Laura Couture, and today I have a small fabric haul, and this is my first video out of many. And we're in age of videos, and I know you guys would love to see your fabrics on the video before you put it online. I'm a regular online customer as well, so I understand your worry. So this is a kente made from Supreme Kente Holland, and it's come in four colors. So it's come in blue, yellow, orange, and fuchsia. And fuchsia is my favorite color. Every time I see fuchsia, it's like calling me, buy me, buy me, buy me. Fuchsia and gold pink. So this one is the blue one. So this is a fly of a look. As I was saying, it's coming blue. That one is orange. Yes, it's orange. Fuchsia and yellow. So this is like how they look all together. I would sell them as a pack of four as well, or stock list, guys. I have very few in stock. Alright, so if you want me to do a tutorial in DIY on how to if you want to see whatever her dress, a skirt, a trouser, whatever you want to see, let me know in the comment below. And you can also follow the link if you wish to purchase the fabric. And I'm looking forward to see you very soon. Oh yeah, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.